Welcome back to the channel. Join us this week as we continue our journey through Morocco. We head south to Safi. Just after Safi, we go to a lovely campsite, the Mogdor Oasis, near Agamoud, which is 40 miles north of Essaouira. So let's take a look.
Just before we left our beach park up near Al-Mansouri, the army turned up to do a bit of dog training. As you can see, they're training the dogs to grab the arm. We then left to head to Casablanca through the busy roads as we were going to visit the Hassan Mosque.
So it's still a little bit misty here in Casablanca, but we've come to take a look at the Hassan Mosque. So we've come to try our first
Moroccan McDonald's. 3 things you have to do we have to do when we come to a country. We have to buy a pin badge for Dougie, we have to buy a Pandora charm for me, and we have to try a McDonald's.
So we've got a pin badge.
We're going to McDonald's.
And then where are we going after?
We're going to have a look at Pandora, see if they've got a Moroccan charm. But don't buy one if they haven't got one for Morocco or the country. After leaving Casablanca, we reached our next campsite. Park for nights above and the what 3 words are below. We didn't like the Moroccan tea yesterday. They gave us free Moroccan tea, but I don't know whether we just left it stew too long or we want our cup of tea. Get it?
Moroccan tea. This is very sweet and minty. And it's got some bread and some honey.
The parking area is a large grassed area with electricity points and water.
So this is the beach just down from the campsite. About 300-meter walk. But again, there's just so much rubbish. Becky's just had some henna done by the daughter at the campsite.
Didn't want any money for it, but I gave her 12 dirhams, which is about £1. It's not much, really.
We're being treated to another boat trip from this campsite run. Again, by one of the sons. He was telling us there's 12 children altogether. My dad must have been very, very busy. So yeah, let's see what happens on this boat trip.
We went out on a boat with the family of the campsite, and we also met Max and Ruben.
So this evening on the campsite we are going for our evening meal. We're having tagine, chicken tagine.
And I've made an effort. Good. The youngest of the family liked to play music, so we gave him our tongue drum that we picked up in India, and he loved it. He kept it playing for ages. The eldest of the family had to go, but he was nowhere near as good as his younger sibling. And today we are having sardines on the campsite. That little crate there is full of them. And they're just cooking them here. Steve doesn't like sardines and he's not prepared to try them, he says, so I'm going to have some. Here they are. All the sardines. That's a big crate. We have ordered dinner here tonight as well. Steve's going to have a chicken tagine and I'm having couscous, but we weren't expecting a free lunch. So here they are, our sardines. That's a lot of fish for me if Steve's not going to eat. I don't think I can eat all them. After 5 brilliant nights, it was time to leave and head to Safi.
Good morning. We just left the campsite we've been on for 5 nights. Originally it was 1 night. We've been so hospitable. We've actually been there for 5 nights. Good morning. We just left our site we've been on for 5 nights. It was originally 1 night, which has been very hospitable. We stayed there for 5 nights. Met some new people, had some great food. But now we've come to Safi. So we're going to take a look around Safi, have a look at the ceramics factory and probably have a look in the Medina.
And we'll not fall for that silly scam of being shown at all.
Yes. So let's take a look around Safi. All this old pottery been broken up, stuck to the wall. So this is where they make some of the pottery.
That's lovely.
Look, this for preparation for work. Sempre.
So he goes inside, sits inside.
Look.
That's hard work.
Hard work. Plate, small salad.
Small plate. Okay, yes.
Salad,
Salad,
and
yes.
so salad, look. Same day.
It's already taking place,
Yeah.
isn't it? Yeah. It's already taking shape.
He's the master. And then
Change this plate. After change
yes.
one plate with this. Yeah. You make this after plate.
Excellent, excellent. So now he's making a small tagine.
After he work cooking with this.
Okay, so that's the bottom.
No, this
Yes.
is God.
Big to make it.
Yes, look.
Yes, yeah.
You measure for diameter, look. Look this, here look this. After, for diameter. Distance. Exactly, madame.
Perfect.
Même diamètre, même mesure, oui.
Perfect.
Alors, comme ça. Non, non.
Yeah.
Après, regarde.
Oh là là, achetez a small plate. There you go. Good, good, madame. Very good. Cherry for your husband. For your wife. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
go,
so
go,
push it
no
all the way through.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got all that.
Souvenir, make picture. Wait, madame.
Hang on, I'll take gas over now, yes.
For second cooking.
So as you just seen in the video, we took a little look around the ceramics factory, but again we were told, yeah, go have a look at here, so we went. Next minute some guys taking us different places, then wants paying, so we had to be a little harsh, kept saying no, and then we gave him 20 dirhams, which is about €2,
Because I made a pot.
because
and that
Becky
was
made
it.
the pot, as you saw. But yeah, it's just a bit annoying because you just want to have a look around without being somebody
Pestered.
pestering you and saying, come here, come here, come here. So we're just going to have to be a little bit harsh and just say,
the thing
no.
is, you're not, it's not being harsh, but it's literally, he walked us like
15-20 minutes.
no, I don't mean that. I mean, he walked us to show us where somebody was making some pottery, and it was literally 2 meters away. But then already he's got you, and you just want to go and have a look on your own. The minute they start to walk with you, you just look in here, and you're interested because you want to see if they're done. But you just want to have a look on your own, and it's a little bit exhausting, to be honest.
So we'll go have a look through the Medina. Like I say, we might have to be a little bit harsh if somebody says, let me show you this. It'll be, no thanks.
No thanks. Don't even talk to me. After Safi, we headed to a campsite called the Mogador's Oasis, and what a beautiful little site it was. Don't be put off by the road to it, as it is easily accessible. Hello, you okay? Thank you. Becky, Steve. I'm okay. Okay, yeah.
Dish of the day. Lasagna.
That was the food at this campsite. I've got leftover couscous from last night's campsite, so I'm going to eat this, and Steve's going to have pizza and chips.
This is a swimming pool. Sun lounges.
We had a walk to the beach so we could watch the sun setting.
Don't forget to join us next week as we head towards Marrakesh. We meet up with Molly and Mason, friends we met in Albania, and we meet up with Dave and Yvonne, who we first met in Turkey. We also meet some new friends, Skinny and Emma.
We hope you've enjoyed this week's video. If you have, don't forget to like and share. And if you've got any questions or comments, pop them below. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing.
Just remember, it costs you nothing to subscribe.
But it means everything to us.
See you next time.